សួស្តីបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមានមេរៀនថ្មីមួយទៀតដែលនឹងបង្រៀនបងប្អូនតាក់ទងទៅនឹង was និង were past simple tense of verb to be អញ្ចឹង past simple tense of verbs to be នេះគឺសំដៅទៅលើពាក្យ was និង were នឹងហើយអញ្ចឹងទម្រង់នោះគឺសម្រាប់ប្រើនៅក្នុងសកម្មភាពអតីតកាលសកម្មភាពទាំងឡាយដែលវាតាក់ទងទៅនឹងសកម្មភាពអតីតកាលគឺយើងអាចប្រើទម្រង់ was និង were នឹងនៅក្នុងកិរិយាសព្ទ past simple tense of verb to be អញ្ចឹងយើងមើលទម្រង់ទាំងអស់គ្នា form គឺសំដៅទៅលើទម្រង់វាមានទម្រង់ positive negative និង question អញ្ចឹងទីមួយយើងសិក្សាទៅលើ positive សិនទម្រង់ positive តើវាមានទម្រង់បែបបទបែបណាយើងមើលទាំងអស់គ្នាទីមួយគឺ I was you were she was he was it was we were they were បន្តមកទៀតយើងចូលទៅមើលទម្រង់បដិសេធ negative វាមានទម្រង់បដិសេធលក្ខណៈទម្រង់វែងហើយនិងទម្រង់ខ្លីនេះគឺទម្រង់ខ្លីនេះគឺទម្រង់វែងឡងអញ្ចឹងយើងមើលទម្រង់វែងយ៉ាងម៉េច I was not you were not she was not he was not it was not we were not they were not ទម្រង់ខ្លី short I wasn't you weren't she wasn't he wasn't it wasn't they weren't sorry we weren't they weren't តមកទៀតយើងចូលទៅកាន់ទម្រង់សំណួរ question was I អញ្ចឹងយើងកុំភ្លេច question mark ផងគឺយើងត្រូវតែដាក់ question mark នៅក្នុងទម្រង់សំណួរ were you was she was he was it were we were they អញ្ចឹងគឺវាមានលក្ខណៈបែបហ្នឹងក្នុងទម្រង់ question ទម្រង់សំណួរអនុវត្ត practice ឥឡូវយើងចូលមកកាន់អនុវត្តទាំងអស់គ្នា practice គឺ complete the sentence using was over ទី1 number 1 he was very tired yesterday អញ្ចឹងគឺយើងយកពាក្យ was នេះមកប្រើដោយសារតែ was នឹងវាប្រើជាមួយនឹង he she it អញ្ចឹងត្រឹមត្រូវទី2 they were not very happy together អញ្ចឹងយើងយកពាក្យ were នេះមកប្រើអញ្ចឹងត្រឹមត្រូវដោយសារតែ were ប្រើជាមួយនឹង I you we they នេះគឺ they ទី3 youអី you were ដោយសារតែ were នឹងប្រើជាមួយ I you we they អញ្ចឹងយើងប្រើ were អូខេទី4 her doctor was not angry was not very helpful អញ្ចឹងយើងប្រើ was ទី5 they អី they were in France last summer ទី6 Mr. Jones was not in the office yesterday នេះដាក់ពាក្យ was មកប្រើមកគឺត្រឹមត្រូវទី7 I អញ្ចឹង I អី I were in bed all morning I were in bed all morning ទី8 it អី it was not very warm in the swimming pool ទី9 you were not very friendly to my sister she was a beautiful baby ទី11 the children were ដោយសារ children ទីនេះគឺ plural ច្រើនអ្នកអញ្ចឹងទី12 I wereយល់ទេ I were not with them in the restaurants 13 What was on holiday last week 14 it was very beautiful very nice letter 15 we were very pleased to see you ទី16កុំចុងក្រោយគេ Colum and his brother Josh were here last night អញ្ចឹងគឺវាគេធ្វើបែបហ្នឹងលំហាត់ហ្នឹងយើងមើលទាំងអស់គ្នាអូខេគឺគេធ្វើបែបហ្នឹង ចឹងអរគុណសម្រាប់ការតាមដាននៅមេរៀនថ្មីរបស់យើងដែលទាក់ទងទៅនឹង post verb past simple tense of verb to be ចឹងសូមអរគុណសូមជម្រាបលាបាយបាយ